So let me explain what this website is all about. It's called the sandbox. That is the name. So what that means is a sandbox is like the right definition for a sandbox, original definition. If we do some off my internet, but if we do a little bit of Google, it's like an incubation grant. That's what we call a sandbox, or like a testing grant for something. So what this platform in a nutshell does is a place where people buy and sell. So there are people who have skills to sell, and then there are people who need those skills. So there are projects, and then there are people who can contribute to the project. So these are the two sides of the spectrum. There are those that can offer XYZ service, and then there are those that need this XYZ service. So the work there is divided into art and then series. So an art is an individual work. A series is a collaborative kind of work. So a good example of an art could be, supposing you write an article in English, that is an art. Now, if you take that same article and then you put it on the platform, and then somebody else, you collaborate with someone, and then somebody else translates it to maybe French or Chinese or whatsoever, that one becomes a series. Why? Because it's a collaborative work. This is a job that have gone beyond you. So if you do an art, you specify the reward you receive. So let's take for example that for this particular work, you now wrote a guide or you did a video. That is just you, right? Now, if you take it further, you edited it, or you brought somebody that edited it, somebody that translated it, and the rest of them, you tend to get more rewards for the person. So these are the jobs. So once you come on the platform, the focus area is what we want to do. That is just the name. What we want you to do. Like this one is a guide. This one is right about a partnership. So once you come, you now talk about the art. Okay, this is the focus area. We're talking about writing a guide about near apps. You will now come and say, okay, what is the art? They say you should create a guide plus video overview of a project on here, so you can create as many as possible. So that is how this stuff works. So this is just a brief about. So there are many stuffs that you can do. So this one is the content creation. So creating content like writing and articles. This is where this one is. And the next thing is memes. So memes are basically a kind of fun way to pass a message, and there are many kind of memes, and all these are memes. So just a way to pass a message is what we call the meme. So you can create memes. So this is brainstorm a meme to have someone designing digital or whatsoever. So you want to look into that if you can do that. Another thing again is social media near force. So what that means is that you can create an account about near. You can be posting updates. And this is the reward for creating the near. And then if you create a video, these are the updates. So if you create, let's say, a Twitter account about near, you get 3 near. You are posting updates there. So like on a monthly basis, you get 3 near for doing that. So like another thing, like if you create a YouTube account, you are posting videos that you get 3 near for creating that. And then shield the sandbox. Shield the sandbox is like I'm explaining this video to you, that if you go online and you start explaining this thing to your friends and you're posting it, you get this amount. Now, near wallet support group these are people that if you help with wallet support. So what that means, probably people are asking questions about the wallet. If you can give them answer, you get reward. Or you create tutorial videos on how to create the wallet, you still get this reward. So there are many things you can do here. So content translation. If you can translate, if you know any language, you can translate that. Like even this These pages, now you can translate it. So if you have knowledge, you can translate it to a stuff, you can get rewards from it. And then translating a piece of new documentation, and there are just many things you can do. And then you have the referral program. So if you bring people to the samples, okay, people come in and they can work, and the rest of them, each person you bring in, this is the amount you get. If you bring a developer, this is the amount you get, and many other stuff. So you can do outreach. Outreach, you can reach to universities, maybe like your school. You can reach to professors. You can reach to other projects. These are the rewards. So if you, this is what you should, this is the focus area. This is what you should do. Maybe you host an event or present near to university. This is the reward. And then if you help with moderation, and this is the reward. So in a simple term, it's very simple. Pick what you want to do. Do you want to create articles? Do you want to create memes? Do you want to create social media for us, like your Twitter account and the rest of them? You post the content. Do you want to help with people with wallets? Do you want to create translation content or subtitles? So subtitles is, if you go on YouTube, for example, and you see a video that concerns this project. So let's take an example that this is a video. You can take it and then create subtitles. The subtitle is like transcript of it. You can create, you can see the samples, bring people, refer people. So there are many ways you can earn money. The only way you will not make money is when, number one, when you are impatient, which is not very good. Then number two is probably when you're not looking long term. Then another thing again about this platform is the more you stay on this platform, the more rewards you get. So how do you join this platform? You come to the Discord. So if you click on this link, it will take you to the Discord. So you can come to the Discord, then you can get out of here. You see the different stuff, frequently asked questions, and if you want to claim rewards, samples request. So we have two stuff. We have rolling opportunities. So these rolling opportunities are the stuffs that we talked about. So these are content creation, memes, design. You can design infographics or one pages, social media, and the rest of them. There are plenty of jobs. Spotlight is an area where we want to create maximum attention for the meantime. So let's take an example. From 31st of March to April 14th, we want to just promote the Rainbow Bridge, sorry. So we want to create content, memes, and the rest of them. Just flood social media or the internet with content around that. So for doing this kind of job, you're not just going to get, so here it says you will get 8 NIA for doing something around the bridge. So now you're not just getting 8 NIA, you're getting 20% extra bonus. If you're talking about NFT, the reward you get 10% extra bonus. So you're talking about open collective. As long as you do it within a time frame, that is what you will get. So these are the rolling opportunities and the rest of them. So in general, you can post your questions and see for answers. So once you come, there are 2 introductions. Contributor introduction. That is where you will post so like you can see me here. That's where you will post. So this is the format. You take your name, username, which is your name. So you're like your Discord name. You can copy it from here like this, and you paste it here. Your region you are from, and then your relevant skills. So these are the things you can do. And then the languages, you can put it there. Reference person, if somebody referred you, so somebody referred me, I put his name. If I refer you, you can simply put my name there. I get reward points. So if you refer that, I've done you good, you can put that. How did you hear about it? You can put it. Maybe you heard it through me, you put it there. So project profile, it's when a project needs something. So let's look at this, for example. This is Portuguese Kid. So this is a Portuguese group. So what do they want to do? they want to spread the word about here to Portuguese speakers. What do they need? They need translation. They need to create tutorial. They need social media. They need developers. And then you can contact this person, and this is a group. So each project is assigned 150 yen per project for that month. These people posted their need. This one also posted their need. So you want to, even if you are not staying in that region, probably you can help either with online, virtually. Maybe you can help create articles for that group. You can simply message the contact person and you can participate. So if you want to ask questions, there are frequently asked questions on the Discord. And then for announcement, you can come to announcement. So this is what I was talking about. If you're in the time, there's what we call time bonuses. For the first month, if you are there, your factor reward increases by 15%. So what that means is that each amount you earn is 15%. So let's say, for example, you earn 100 yen at the end of the month, you get 15% extra. Then the second month, if you are staying in the store, if you earn another 100, you get 20% extra, right? So which is 20 yen. So this is to incentivize people to stay more in the group. So that is just a brief about this platform. Thank you.